Alright, so back again. Reserves for this flight, let's check.
Hello.
Reserves, oh wow, 7.
Hello. Hello.
Thrust limit today, you can actually just run, guess it again. Normally set it to the 10% climb as well, it just sets automatically. I don't have anything fancy like Top Cat or any performance rules, so takeoff, flaps 5, takeoff,
Hello.
just double click on CG.
Hello.
Yeah, actually we'll do a flaps 15 takeoff to be honest today.
Hello.
There's the V speeds, V1 at 151, rotate at 155, and V2 at 164. 164, might as well pop that in here now. 164, there we go. Okay, passengers are on board now, might as well just close that. And make sure you arm all of them, there we go. Okay, so, take off. You don't really have to enter this in here, but yeah. I'm not going to enter that and stuff there. Okay, departure and approach. A is the departure today is the 4 off runway 26 right. It's right there, MKK4 off 26 right. Yeah, and your V speed will normally get deleted at that point. It's alright, don't worry. 26 right. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we all basically all set, I guess now. One thing I forgot to do is this. Set that earlier, but yeah. Oxygen. This is just something fun that you can do. There we go. Yeah. Oxygen's all good. And normal. This before start, should actually just check outside. We got 3 cargo pods in the back. Yeah, 4th one just going on now in the front. Yeah, okay. Probably 5 minutes for them, knowing that they take forever. But anyway, now you can just set up your MCP 260 runway heading, and also we could just test the TCAS. There we go. Well, nobody's on in Honolulu on that sim, so we'll just go on 122.8. This is Unicom. There we go. And just setting up one of my just forgot to start my with engine, so I'm just starting that up now. Alright, here we are, back in the sim. With the engine connected. Yeah, okay, we're good on the way in, it's all set up. Right, now let's see. Yeah. Ah, that's the departure on this runway we'll be taking off from 26 right, which is over there actually. This way is probably to taxi down there, onto that taxiway, and just over there. Yeah, easy. Alright, so it's supposed to be, you can set both VOR left and right on the first officer side, or you can, what I used to do is ADF and then VOR. Alright, we'll just do that for today's flight. Turn on traffic, STA Waypoint Airport. Oh shit. Okay, that, yeah, looks like a mess, but it's alright. Alright, and on my side, which we actually will be taking off from, let's see all of these, there we go. What type of departure do we actually have? Looks kind of messed up. Okay then. Yeah, basically take off and go direct to Cutlets. Alright, basically done so before start checklist. Passenger signs on. Yeah, that's all set up. 260 on the 18164 on V2 and 10,000 feet. Takeoff speeds all checked. CBU and pre-flight completed. Trim is 0. Taxi and takeoff briefing is not complete. But anyway, today we are using takeoff 1 D-rate. We'll be taking off from runway 26 right. Probably climb and maintain, no ATC, so we'll probably climb up to 5,000 feet and then go direct to Cutlets, whatever it is, I don't know, can't talk, right. And then, yeah, it'll probably be a left turn and then to Cutlets. And yeah, that's basically it, I guess. Flaps 15 takeoff. Orbx RTO. Yeah, probably didn't even do that correctly, but anyway. Yeah, I'm not actually a real 777 pilot or anything, just a casual flight simmer. So yeah. G6, you done? Oh, finally, there you go. Okay, so close both the cargo doors and request before pushback. Nose right. You want to start engines before pushback? No. Beacon on, and at this stage I usually hydraulic pumps. Packs are off, which they're meant to be. What about these? Yeah, just turn them off, see the pressure line. Anyway, at this point I usually turn off the dome lights
flight deck, this is ground crew. Stand by for pushback.
Oh, that's another thing I actually forgot. There we go. It's all clear now. Check the doors, all closed and
Locking gear, Captain.
Here we go.
Captain, ground crew here. Departure check is complete. Nose gear steering disconnected. Bypass pin is inserted. Okay, here we go. We are clear behind the aircraft and safe to start engines at your discretion.
Alright, start at will. Start number 2 first today. I just popped the fuel in there. Well, relatively early stage. I know that the 737 I normally allow fuel flow at 20% in one. I think this thing has auto start, so you just put in whenever you want. It just does it. There you go. I love the start of the G90 sign up, to be honest. Logo lights went off there, but anyway. This repaint is, got it from Avsim, but it's made by Gold Star Textures, so, oh there we go, now the logo lights back on. Yeah. It's got dirty wings and all that, that's probably why the reason I chose it. And fuel flow number 1. And flight directors. Go, number 1's online. And with both the engines running, you can turn off the APU. Packs. That's basically it, I guess. Let's wait for GSX to do its stuff.
Set parking brakes, please.
Parking brakes set. Right. For taxi, anti-ice is not required. Recall is checked. Flight controls. We'll do that right now. And ground equipment is, well, not clear at the moment, but what the heck is that? Huh. Yeah, buildings is going trippy.
Tow vehicle disconnected. Bypass pin removed. Nose wheel steering is yours, Captain.
Alright, so flight controls now. Full left. Neutral. Full right. Neutral. And full down on the elevators, neutral, full up, neutral, and rudder left, rudder right. Flight controls all good. What checklist is there? Ah, before takeoff. Okay.
And Captain, left is clear, right is clear. You are all clear behind the aircraft.
Left and right is clear, we're all good. Right. Then you should get a little bar saying have a good flight. Even second, have a good flight. Oh well, I guess we can just taxi out now. Where's he gone? Oh, he's right there. Is he going to go or is he frozen? Ah, no, we're going. Alright. Flaps 15. There we go, flaps 15. Alright, they're clear. Can taxi out now. And just for freaking sake of getting, just turn on the TCAS. Even though there's no traffic around me.
Everybody's attention here for the next few minutes to review some safety information. Fasten your seatbelt when the seatbelt sign lights up. Insert the metal fitting.
And before takeoff, checklist is complete.
Pulling on the loose end of the strap. You can release your seatbelt by lifting up the portion of the buckle. We suggest that you keep your seatbelt fastened throughout the flight in case of any turbulence. You can find several emergency exits on this airplane. Please take a moment to locate the closest exit to you. In some cases, the nearest exit may be situated behind you. If you need to evacuate the aircraft, floor level lighting will guide you towards any of these exits. Doors can be opened by moving the handle in the direction of the arrow. These doors are equipped with inflatable supply to passengers as flight craft. Oxygen and air pressure are monitored throughout the duration of the flight. If pressure occurs at any time, oxygen mask will fall to the ceiling in front of all of you. To start the flow of oxygen, pull the mask towards you and place the
Not too sure if I can get the FX 777 immersion working on this takeoff, but yeah. I must say I wasn't really a fan of American Airlines old livery, but I really do like the new livery, especially on the 737. I really like it. Doesn't look too bad on this 777 as well.
Open the plastic pouch and remove the vest. Slip it over your head and bring the straps around your waist. Adjust the straps to the front. Release the aircraft. Place the vest by pulling firmly
Very nice.
forward. Fill the vest slowly down.
Let's choose. That's right. Yeah. Could take a shortcut. No, I actually can't. Have to go on the grass strip. Huh, look at that, as soon as the safety briefing completed, Kevin, really. taking right. Taking a right here and then what's that? Right. No traffic. Clear to cross this. Laugh if some random plane just comes out of nowhere, smashes into me. I think that's our runway right there, yeah, 26 right, there we go. Alright, so just entering the runway now, coming up into the runway. So taxi off, strobes on, and landing lights on. Also with that on the VNav. Alright, so clock on. %, stable, so go. Knots, cross check.
V1, rotate. V2.
Close rate climb, landing gear up. flat 5. Okay, with that, and flat 1. Oh shit, we're making a right turn. Let's hope we don't crash into the mountain. And yeah, flat stop. Sneak the hit in. Yeah, we look like we were clear the mountains. Anyway, let's go up to our cruising 250. And yeah, once again, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, whatever. And I'll see you guys again in the next video.